What's up everyone? So today we're going to be reviewing, I'm going to give you my honest opinion on the Image Wash Product Wax Replacement. So this here is a fantastic option if you are looking to regularly wax your vehicle like me. I have tried many waxes in the past and none of them come close to how efficient and how effective this one here is by Image Wash Products. So the cool thing about this one here is it does come with this attachment. So this attachment is just a screw it on, make sure it's nice and snug on there. And then you're gonna add the water line here, or the water hose, and then just have a nice little switch here so you can turn on and off the water pressure. So what you're gonna do after you wash your vehicle and rinse it, you leave it wet, and then what you're gonna do is you're gonna apply this. So you're gonna go ahead and turn this on, and then just simply apply throughout the whole vehicle, nice and cover every spot. And what you're gonna notice, this goes on very easily. You're gonna wanna leave it on for about a couple minutes after you do apply this to the whole car. And after that, you are just wash it down, make sure you get every spot, and then just dry it nicely. What you're gonna notice is gonna leave a nice coat, a protective coat of wax of this product, and it is gonna leave it very nice and shiny. So it's gonna look very clean, very nice, super efficient. Doesn't take hours to apply like some of the other wax products. So that's why I really love this. So if you're looking for a wax product or looking to switch from the current one, give this one a try. Hands down, the best one on the market. I highly recommend it.